Well, thank you for joining us back here on Oracle TV, and we are going to dive into a fascinating conversation. And I have the ability to talk with Jung Jeon. Did I say that correctly?
Yes.
Okay. The lead of AI Enablement and Bioinformatics at Mirxes. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me. I'm
And
so excited to be here.
I'm excited for you to be here because, the work that your company is doing is critical. And you are a Singapore-based biotech company that is focused on blood-based diagnostics specific to early detection of diseases such as cancer. And you're leveraging Oracle AI database, Oracle Cloud infrastructure, and enterprise AI. I mean, wow. I wish we had more time than we do right now to talk because I have so many questions that I want to frame. But I want to pass it over to you to expand on what I just said about Mirxes and just kind of let us in on where Mirxes is now in the work that you're leading and some of the biggest challenges you have been trying to solve.
So first of all, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Thanks for being here.
So Mirxes we're a Singapore headquartered biotech company. We do blood-based biomarkers for cancer detection, specifically early screening of cancer. And the products the diagnostic kits that we have in the market include things like gastric clear and lung clear. So those are the names, but basically those are blood-based gastric cancer screening kit, lung cancer screening kit. We have colorectal cancer screening kit coming up. We are building multi-cancer screening kit, all based on blood. So it's really, really exciting. So we are headquartered in Singapore, but we have multiple offices around the region, across Southeast Asia. We have big office in China as well. And as we scale up and expand, we've been facing quite a bit of operational and logistical hurdle in a sense that we get quite a lot of queries from our clinicians, basically medical doctors who order our diagnostic kits. They would have specific product-related inquiries that they would ask, and typically these are manually handled by our medical affairs team or commercial team. And as we get more and more of that, it takes up quite a bit of our time.
I can imagine.
It gets slow to respond to the clinician, so it becomes really inefficient. So that's where we decided that it would be great if we could design a medium, a platform where it should handle the communication between the clinicians and us about our product, about our diagnostic products in an intelligent way. And that's that's how we ended up working with the Oracle Customer Excellence Center. They were really great team. They helped us to build an MVP, so we rolled it out for internal testing. Feedback was good and very helpful, and we are looking to roll it out to for external feedback session as well to our clinicians. Yeah.
And I just to be clear, so with those challenges, you then went to Oracle and you're co-developing a solution to solve for that challenge, the demand that you're feeling.
Yes.
That's, working with our Customer Excellence Center, thank you, first of all, but that's exactly how you should work with the Customer Excellence Center.
Yeah, they've been really great. I mean, even saying that we co-developed it is a bit embarrassing on our side because they carried so much weight for this, implementing the solution itself. We basically gave the domain background and explanation about what needs to be done, what are the features that we needed to be done, built in, and the Customer Excellence Center team, they were really patient with us. They listened really well, and I really wanted to say that they came with the technical expertise, but also they came with the domain sensitivity. So they really listened to what we needed in terms of the compliance requirements, because building AI solutions for healthcare is a sensitive topic.
Absolutely.
So working with them has been really great, really helpful.
Yeah, well, that is, it's great to hear, and it's great to see such a success story. So thank you for sharing that. And again, thank you for working with us and trusting us to work with you. And so let's kind of verge the conversation, or excuse me, let's kind of move the conversation over to AI specifically. And as we talk, AI is changing everything. But in healthcare, it's the conversation that we're talking about, how it's transforming healthcare. But how is it changing the environment for clinicians, and is it doing it in a way that we can see results?
So that's a great question. And AI in healthcare, I think quite many people feel a little bit threatened when they hear AI solutions are being built for medical practice. And I wanted to really highlight and emphasize that AI solutions built in healthcare, the best implementations of them do not try to replace medical professionals.
Right.
That is not what's happening. Like, that is really not what's happening, and it's important to draw the distinction there. What the area where AI solutions come in to address and help in healthcare is at the periphery of the medical work or the clinical work. So instead of trying to replace or replicate what the medical professionals are doing, AI solutions come in so that they can lessen the logistical and manual burden on our medical professionals so that we can protect their precious time. So the clinician AI assistant that we built with Oracle is helpful in that way because by using an intelligent platform, we hope to assist the clinician not in making medical decisions, but so that the clinicians can quickly get the scientific knowledge that they may be seeking at the right time.
Which is so important.
Important.
To have data at their fingertips to be able to provide the best care for their patients.
And we need that kind of data and information to be accurately delivered. I mean, it needs to be quickly delivered, but it also has to be accurate. So that was one of the considerations that we made during the co-development, that we really want to build in the safety guard railing features, as well as really curating the knowledge base so that the behavior of the AI assistant can be tightly regulated.
Yes. And I liked how you touched on the very beginning. There's a lot of fear of AI in healthcare because, it's sensitive data, and we have to be protective of that and how we're deploying it. But it's also going to give back so much to that relationship between the physician and the patient. So thank you so much. So last question I have for you is, looking ahead, how does this partnership with Oracle evolve to help Mirxes in your mission?
So the most immediate thing is we want to continue working with Oracle so that we can expand and build on this currently MVP solution to a deployment-ready solution. Also, right now, the solution has a single persona. It is designed to only work with the clinicians who are already our customer. But we would like to expand on the persona to also so that this AI assistant could be used to address potential sales query from clinics who are not yet using our diagnostic kits. Perhaps it could be expanded to answer inquiries from them. But in a larger picture, we want to build what we call a data and AI platform, kind of a bigger data hub, so that we can house clinical and genomic data that we have been accumulating from our clinical study. And then we imagine that individual AI solutions, such as this clinician AI assistant, could be integrated to that platform to really facilitate the whole information extraction process, to really deliver the better, more accurate cancer detection diagnostic kits.
Wow. Well, I am definitely going to be following your work, and thank you so much for spending time talking about something that is so important to all of us. Because there's one thing that unites everyone is that we'll all be a patient and experience the same healthcare that,
Yes,
that we're
exactly.
transforming.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Jung. We appreciate your time.